Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you are well. Now, what we've got here behind me is, you'll notice that my face is on the other side. And this is because it's not confusing for you to see this, but this is level 3. This is the advanced level. And the reason this is the advanced level is because now you're going to start using functions in order to go and create new levels. You're also going to go and change the background. It's very plain. I'm going to add some sounds and also some lists of, so they can call up different levels and different things. But if you remember before, you put the blocks in the place for the different objects. So I think we had like a blue block and an orange block, and when you put them in, that you were able to go and put different objects in there to get different scores and different things. They had different variables. So just underneath my face here is another person's face, and this is where the original Hops and Paws comes from. So I've made it and broken it down, and I've sped this up by a factor of 2. So the beginning of this one is going to be for you to go and see this video. I'm not going to play the whole thing, but you can see that they're starting to add different backgrounds. So it looks a bit like this. It looks a bit more appealing. There's going to be new modes, but also this thing called call start level. So these are your functions where you, at the beginning of the game, it says call beginning level, and then it will start this level here. Once you've got to the end of the current level, it will help you understand to go and make new levels. Okay. Same as before. Look, put the blocks in. You can put your items in, and those items that can then be replaced with other bits and pieces, and make your levels harder. For your character to go and collect things, whatever character it is that you've got. Much harder levels look, but also here it's also got vertical walls. So taking that challenge even further, where you can get your character to actually jump and then land on something and then crawl up this kind of this wall, and makes it far more appealing. And then towards the end, you'll start to be able to create end of level bosses as well. So this video is going to be on your Firefly pages, okay, which is probably right here, and it's probably below me right now. So if you're at this stage, fantastic, well done. Things you've got to go and add are new levels, new sounds, and try and get your character to sort of go into vertical mode. Okay, so with this, it's very short, but you're at level 3 now. You're almost expert level. Add sound, add a great game, vertical walls, better levels, using functions. So I'll leave you here. As always, have fun, playtest, good luck.